In this video, I will show you how to pay with PayPal on Dhgate. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm here on dhgate.com. Now with Dhgate, they don't actually offer an option at the moment to pay by PayPal, but there is a way to do this. And I'm going to talk you step by step how to go about doing this. So first, what I'm going to do is just add something to my basket. So I'm just going to come down and I'm going to select this watch. So I'm just going to come down, I'm going to choose the cutter. So I'm going to go for this one and then click add to cart. You see that's now been added to the cart. So if I now go to checkout, as you can see, we're now in the cart. Now, if you look, the payment methods offered, for myself being in the UK, I've got the option to pay with a card or by Skrill. Of course, this depends on which country you're in. You might have some other options available, like for example, a bank transfer or Ideal or something like that. So if you actually want to get around this then and pay for this with PayPal, then what you're going to want to do is come to a website called getspy.com. So that's going to look like this. Now what you can do, you can actually buy virtual cards from this website. So what you would do is basically sign up for an account. These guys are Dutch and you would basically sign up for an account, log into your account. And what you can do, as you can see, you've got a green card or black card. You can actually purchase this using PayPal. So basically what you would do is register for an account and then you would go ahead and pick your card and buy it, and you would be able to use PayPal to pay for the card. And once you've bought that prepaid card, you can then come back to Dhgate. And if you click on to pay with a new card, you can go ahead and enter the card details from that prepaid card into the box here, click apply, and you'll be able to pay using the prepaid card from GetSpy that you brought with PayPal. So that's a quick little thing you can do to get around this and pay for things on Dhgate with PayPal. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.